What's going on, guys? We are not in quartzite anymore. We are actually not in even Arizona anymore. We're in California. Actually, we're on the same exit where Joshua Tree is, but we're heading south. From there, I wasn't sure if this was going to be a sketchy road or it's going to be paved all the way or not. Never taken this road. Motorcycles. It's all about the adventure, right? But we're heading to Borrego Springs. See some cool sculptures, and hopefully this road doesn't mess us up along the way. And there's a casino to get gas along the way. Being an Indian reservation, it's cheaper there than California prices. I'm used to paying like $2.60 in Arizona, so we'll see what it is here. Anyhow, this looks like a cool drive. I don't know if you guys can see that there's snow on the mountaintops over there. Pretty cool, but it's like 26 Celsius right now. Not bad for the end of February. Yeah, there are lots of flowers along the way, as you can see, so I'm hoping there's a super bloom in Borrego Springs. And this is called Box Canyon Road, so I'm assuming it's going to be a pretty cool drive going through a canyon, maybe a box canyon. I don't know. Yeah, come along for the ride. All right, made it to Borrego Springs. Check this out. Have you guys been watching my videos since I was here last? It was 2 or 3 years ago at least. But yeah, there are a bunch of sculptures. I think there's over 100 sculptures in the desert that we're going to check out. See if the drone will miss everything. I just put it on a 10-meter circle. Such cool sculptures. I love it. I think there are a couple more sculptures back over there that we're going to go check out. Yeah, that was pretty awesome. What do you think, Uma? Did you like that? It's almost Uma's birthday. Gonna have to celebrate. Big 4-year-old, holy cow. Camels in the desert. Feels like I'm back in quartzite. Not. Let's go over here. I think there's some elephants or something. What is it, Uma? Are those elephants? Oh my goodness. Oh, look, there are turtles hiding on this side. Turtles, yeah. I also forgot to mention, I guess the super bloom is going on because I saw all kinds of people taking pictures of the side of the road with all the purple and yellow flowers and stuff. I'll see if I can grab it on the way back to the campground. Apparently this is where all the people are super blooming. You know, the purple flowers and everything. Well, damn, serves me right for being lazy yesterday. Last night it got windy as hell. Look at it out there. I was hoping to do all the sculptures today, but I don't know if I'll be able to be heard. It might be a silent movie with just music behind it, since I won't be able to talk. If I just step around this corner, you probably won't be able to hear me anymore. Crazy. And yeah, I thought my carpet and stuff was going to fly away last night. And it's going to be 100 degrees here, so I figure I'm going to finish my coffee, have some breakfast, go get the sculptures, and get the heck out of here. No reason to stay with it going to be so hot and windy and everything. No, not my kind of place. So yeah, I guess we're going to Lake Havasu after the sculptures. What do you think, Uma? It's your last day of being 3 years old. You're gonna be 4 tomorrow. Do you want to come outside? All right, we'll see you at the sculptures. So cool with all the flowers everywhere. Super bloom. Yeah, let's go check out some more sculptures. I can see one ahead of us. I can see some over there. Cool. Get to take Uma for a walk and get to see some sculptures. Oh, it's not as windy as it was at that camping spot. Thank goodness. I wonder if Uma's going to bark at this sculpture. Check it out. Come on, Come here. Very cool. His faithful dinosaur dog. I don't know. Kind of a dog. All right, what's next, Uma? I see one over there. Let's go this way. What's this guy? Gold prospector? Panning for gold? Very cool. Look at the horse. How detailed is that? With all the gear on it and everything. So cool that they could just do this and let them sit out in the desert. They do rust, but not like they would back home in Canada with all the salt and climate changes and stuff. Yeah, very cool. Okay, where's the next sculpture, Uma? All right, well, you can't have sculptures in the desert without having a rock crawling jeep. So here we go. Let's go around this side so we're not in the sun, Uma. Oh, look, there are even people in it. So cool. Very cool. I put the little weld spatter around tire to make it look like a tire. Very cool. All right, next. And that looks so cool from here. A big dragon. See what's on both sides of the road. So cool. Look at the size of it. All the way back like that. Very cool. Love it. Come on, Uma. Yeah, it's cool that they put all the scales in it. Must have taken forever to weld all that. Yeah, that's how huge this thing is. Amazing. There you go, you can see it go all the way back. Across the road over there to its tail. Alright, so check it out. Here's the tail. And all the way to the body, or the head, way over there. They should have made one of the parts go right over the road like a bridge there. That would have been pretty sweet. Alright, Uma, a couple more, then we're out of here. It's just getting too damn hot. It's like 9:45 in the morning and it's already 31 Celsius. It's got to be in the 90s. So yeah. And Uma's panting away and hot. By the way, I don't think I've mentioned it yet, but did you notice my shirt? And it's got a big emblem on the back too. My daughter and her husband got these for me. They also got a hoodie for me too. So yeah, pretty sweet that I get to advertise my channel on a shirt. I like it. No, I'm not making swag. A dinosaur, I'm guessing. Come here, Uma. It looks like it looks like that creature from Where the Wild Things Are or something. Is that the name of the book? Where the Wild Things Are? With that big purple monster guy? I think that looks like him. That's what I'm going to call him. Purple monster guy. Let's go this way. A couple more, Uma. I don't know for sure, but did this guy fall over? Or is he meant to be lying down like this? Yes? Like this? What the hell? What kind of language am I talking? Yeah, so cool how detailed they all are. To just put them out in nature and let them rot in the desert. And things don't rot down here, really. Other than people. Alright, I think this is the last one, then we're going to get out of here. Too damn hot. What is that one? Oh, I see. It's got a baby on its back or whatever. Very cool. Like I said, all that detail. The little whiskers and everything. And the hair. Look at that. That is so cool. Alright, there's a camel over there, but I think I've seen more than enough camels from being in Quartzsite all that time this year. So nice to be back on the road again. Holy cow. Oh, what a breath of fresh air to be moving. I am not ever doing that again, of staying in Quartzsite for months. That was ridiculous. Kind of gave me a hate for that place. Alright, so that's probably only about 1/10 of the sculptures that are here in Borrego Springs. I haven't even seen them all. There are a bunch in the downtown area too. But I'm not going to go through the downtown area. I just want to get the heck out of here. I think it's like a 3.5 hour ride to Havasu. Thank God the wind slowed down. But yeah, I just want to get to Havasu. I doubt I'll be able to have a shower with it being this hot that I can't leave Uma in the van unless I turn the AC on. I can wait till tomorrow for that one. I'll just go first thing in the morning to Planet Fitness. But yeah, if you're ever in the Salton Sea area, come check out Borrego Springs. So cool, all the sculptures. I love it. Well, this is why I'm leaving. 37 Celsius? No. I'm not hanging around in that kind of temperature. Not happening. Does anyone know what all this white stuff is that they put on the sides of the road in California? I don't know if it's to keep the dust down or what it is, but inquiring minds want to know. Good morning, guys. Welcome to Lake Havasu. It's Uma's birthday. Let's go give her her first birthday treat. Can't believe she's 4 already. Wow. Well, good morning, my little 4-year-old. How are you? Are you a good girl? Come over here. Come on. You gonna sit down? You gonna... Too excited? Oh, sit down. Sit. You want your first birthday treat? Sit. Oh my goodness, what is that? Oh my goodness. Let's see what we got for you. Oh, you got your new collar? Maybe we'll wait to put that on you till we get back home so it doesn't turn into brown dust. What else? Oh, bacon flavored bone. Oh my goodness, is that good? And look. Yeah, puppy birthday cake. You want some birthday cake? What is it? Oh, look at that little puppy birthday cake. Look at that. You want your birthday cake? Sit. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Uma. Happy birthday to you. Can't believe you're 4. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, that's it for this week. Hope you enjoyed the video. I really loved those sculptures at Borrego Springs. That was so cool. But yeah, way too hot there. It's almost too hot here actually. I think it's going to be in the 90s today. So we're going to have to figure out our next destination. But at least we're moving. That's all that matters. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed already, I'd appreciate it. And we'll see you guys next time. Take care, guys. Birthday girl.